Reolink and Ubiquiti both offer solid security camera systems, but they serve different priorities. Reolink is known for affordability and flexibility. Their cameras support smart detection for people and vehicles, offer multiple support and power options like PoE, battery and solar, and provide both local and cloud storage. Reolink also integrates with the smart assistants like Google and Alexa, making it ideal for DIY setups and budget-conscious users. Ubiquiti's Unify Protect system is more premium. It's designed for users already invested in the Unify ecosystem. The cameras are well built, the app is polished, and the system integrates seamlessly with Unify working gear. However, it lacks advanced AI detection and doesn't offer cloud storage. Everything is stored locally. It's also more expensive, often double the price of comparable Reolink models. Go with Reolink if you want smart features, flexibility, and great value. Choose Ubiquiti if you prioritize reliability, ecosystem integration, and a professional-grade setup.